What's going on, you guys? So now that we have a better understanding of MetaTrader 4, the next step is to actually start taking the trades that we're calling in the Discord. So in order to do that, I'm going to just kind of show some trades that we've sent out last week and show you how you would put them into MetaTrader 4 and actually execute the trades. So to start, I'm going to start with this top one here, sell GBP JPY. So this is just a market execution. Anytime you just see sell or buy and then a currency pair, indice or commodity or cryptocurrency next to it, that is a market execution. That means whatever the price is at now, that's what we are going to be selling at or buying. So in order to do that, all you would do is you'd come over to quotes in your MetaTrader 4 and you would look for GBP JPY. And if you don't see this in your pairs, you click this little plus up in the top corner. I'll actually show you what it looks like. So I'll delete all these and then we can see what it actually looks like to edit. So you'll hit the plus in the top. You're going to come up here. You just search GBP JPY. It's a Great British Pound versus the Japanese Yen. Hit the plus and you are all set. So in order to do that, all you would do is come here to GBP JPY, click on it, hit trade. And you would just input the stop loss and take profit that we were putting in. So the stop loss is 168.94. And the take profit is 163.332. Now, I can't actually place this trade because it is still the weekend and the market does not open up for about a half hour. But if the market was open, all I would do is hit sell by market and it would enter the trade. Now, if we wanted to take a limit order that was called out, all you'd have to do is come over to here. So we see that this is a sell limit on Euro USD. You'd come over here, you'd click the plus, you'd search EUR USD, hit the plus again, come back, you click on it, hit trade. And then up at the top here where it says market execution, you just click on that and click sell limit. And you just input the values that we sent. So you see the entry is 1.07738. So you would just put that in. And then the stop loss is 1.07920. And the take profit is 1.06441. And like I said, with the market being closed right now, we aren't actually able to place this trade. But all you would do is hit place and the trade would go through. I will show you what it looks like when it goes through with a crypto pair really quick, actually. So if we were on Bitcoin, we click trade. For a market execution, let's just say we wanted to sell. We could put 27,400 here, and for our take profit, we could put just 27,000, and we could hit sell by market, and the trade would be executed. If we wanted to do a sell limit, we would go back over to Bitcoin, hit trade, hit sell limit. For our price, let's say if price goes up to 28,000, we want to sell. Set our stop loss at 28,500. And our take profit at just 27,000. We'll hit place. And so in here, you'll see that this is a pending order, and then this is an active trade. So once price comes up to 28,000, this trade will execute, and it would move into open positions rather than orders. Now, what do you do if we just send a chart without a stop loss or take profit? So oftentimes you'll see this red and blue box here, or like you can see on Pearls, you see it's a red and green box. On the right-hand side over here on the chart, so you see this is the red and blue box. On the right-hand side, you'll have a red value, this 31,540, that's your stop loss, and your 31,252, that's your take profit. How do you know if it's a sell or a buy? Well, normally we would say sell or buy, but if that wasn't sent in there, all you'd have to do is look at the direction of the red and the blue. So if the blue is on the bottom, that means it's a sell, and if the blue is on the top, that means it's a buy. So for example, you could see that the blue is above the red here. That is indicating that this is a buy. And then for this, you can see that the green is below the red. That is indicating it is a sell. How would we enter this trade? So once we see that this has been sent, we see sell US 30. We'd click on the picture, we'd zoom it in, and we can see our values over here on the right side. So we would come over to quotes, hit the plus, search US 30, click the plus, click it, and hit trade. This is just a market execution like we talked about earlier. So all we need to do now is input the values. So we see on the right-hand side, the red 31540. So we'd come over here. That is our stop loss. And then for our take profit, we're looking at 31252. Is this bottom blue box. And if the market was open, we would just hit sell by market and it would go through. So that's basically all you need to do in order to place trades here. If you guys do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. The link to the Discord is below and you can join through that and reach out to us individually or reach out in the Discord. I hope everybody has a great day and I hope this series helped you guys out.